Hello becoming officers, welcome to the Nights of UPSC. This is me Ankit Kumar. Guys, as I found there's no any reliable resources are available on the YouTube channels as far as public administration mains optional paper is concerned. Guys, I'll start these lectures from the 2nd of August. But before starting the lecture, let me explain you the things which are very essential for the aspirant of the UPSC. The things, first thing, an aspirant of the UPSC should have 5 qualities. The first quality, he should have self-confidence. He should have passion or zeal. He should have dedication. Fifth, he should have the patience as well as the consistency. If any aspirant will have all these 5 factors, he can clear any kind of exam, whether that is UPSC or anyone else. So guys, let me explain you these all factors by some examples. As like once what happened when I have started my preparation, at that time I met with an aspirant and I have seen that he has a great deal of knowledge. I told to that student that maybe in this exam or in this attempt you will clear the exam. He denied me. Why? Because he told me that it is the toughest exam of India and I am not as prepared as I should be. He left the hope. Okay, so he told me sorry, he told me that he have to prepare for 2 years or 3 years else. So now what is the main problem? That he had not the self-confidence. Now second thing, passion. If you have passion, you will not lose your goal, as well as you will have confidence. Third thing, dedication. If you guys have dedication towards your goal, you can achieve whatever you want to do for that goal, that you will do. Okay, so now as you might have seen that एक संदीप महेश्वरी जी हैं, तो उनकी वीडियोस के अंदर वो बोलते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द वीडियोस में वो बोलते हैं कि हर एक चीज आसान है, आसान है, नथिंग इज टफ. नहीं, ये नहीं बोलना है. एवरीथिंग इज इजी, दैट वी हैव टू से, एंड बाय विच द थिंग्स विल बिकम इजी. Okay, now the third thing, patience. We know this is the tidy process of clearing UPSC, as like lots of students take 3, 4, 5 years, but if you have patience, then you can become the bureaucrat, you can become an IAS officer. Now the last one, consistency. As you might have listened the story of turtle and hare, यानी खरगोश और कछुए की स्टोरी आपने सुनी होगी. वहां पे कछुआ कंसिस्टेंट रहता है, यानी वो धीरे 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 चलता रहता है. बट इफ यू विल कंसिडर अबाउट द हेयर, खरगोश के बारे में अगर देखते हो, रैबिट के बारे में, तो वहां पे क्या होता है कि वो थोड़ा भागता है, थोड़ा तेजी से दौड़ता है, रुक जाता है, सो जाता है. ओके, that is the main problem of the aspirant of the UPSC. They don't be consistent. If they become consistent, they will maintain the discipline, then they can achieve their goal. Okay, and even not only they, if anybody have the 5 factors, then he can achieve any goal, whatever he wants to achieve. Okay, so guys, by all these aspects you might have understood that what you want to do in your life and to get the to achieve your goal. Okay, Now, next one, as I told you that I am going to teach you about the public administration. So, the things whatever I will teach you in the public administration, let me explain you. The first thing, I'll make you learn about the topic wise analysis of previous year question papers. After that, all topics according to the guidelines of UPSC. ठीक है, तो जो UPSC की guidelines है, जो UPSC ने syllabus दिया हुआ है, according to the syllabus I'll make you learn all the topics. Okay, and I will provide you the compiled notes. तो मैं आपको compiled notes भी provide करूँगा. As I have seen many of the videos on the YouTube channels, they don't give us the complete information about the topics. Sorry. So guys, if you want to watch my videos, so please subscribe my channel, like as well as share it. Guys, there is one more channel of mine, that is BCI, Brilliant Coaching Institute, and that is only for the spoken English students. That's it. Thank you.